Hello students of class 7, today we will study exercise 4C. Question number 1 is find the value of. So our part number 1 is 7 power 0. So children, as we have already learned about laws. So one law was that any number having power 0 is always considered as 1. We don't need to solve this. Just we remember the laws of exponent and think that any number having power 0 is always 1. Either it is a fraction or any whole number or any rational number, any number. So here 6 upon 31 power 0. So this is also any number having power 0 is always 1. So we don't need to solve, just we have to remember the law and write the answer. This is our only answer. Part number 3 is also same. I am solving part number 4. Here 1 power 0 plus 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0. So here 1 power 0 means 1 plus 1 plus 1. So here in place of 1 power 0 I wrote 1. Here 2 power 0 I wrote 1. 3 power 0 I wrote 1. And in between we have plus sign. So we have written plus sign. Now we will add all three terms. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3 answer. So here part 5th is 8 power 0 minus 2 power 0 minus 4 power 0. So here in place of 8 power 0 what we have to write 1 minus 1 bracket close minus 1. So here 1 minus 1 that means 0 minus 1. So here plus minus 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 1. Here children get it? Now question number 2 part 1 is express as a rational number. Part number 1 is 3 power minus 1. We know that power can be in only positive number. So first of all we have to change it into the positive. We have to make this power into positive. This is in a negative, so we have to make it positive. How we will make it positive? So children, just forget this power. Remember what is the number? That this is 3. So we have to reciprocal 3. That means 1 upon 3 and power will become positive. So our answer is 1 upon 3. Part number 2 is 5 upon 7. Power is minus 1. So we have to make it positive. How we will make it positive? By reciprocal of the number. So that means 7 upon 5. That it was 5 upon 7 and now here 7 upon 5 power 1. Now part number 3 is minus 4 upon 11 power minus 1. Here again the same. So we have to reciprocal of the number. Minus 11 upon 4 power 1. Part number 4 is minus 2 power minus 1 multiply 2 upon 3 minus 1. So here children again we have to make it positive. So what we have to do? We have to make a reciprocal of this. We have to do the reciprocal of this. Now here 3 upon 2 power will become positive. So here now what we have to do? We have only multiply sign in between. So what we do? We will multiply numerator from numerator and denominator from denominator. 3 ones are 3 plus minus minus 2 twos are 4. This is our answer. Question number 3 is question number 3 I am reading. Simplify. You have to simplify this sum. Part number 1 is 4 power 5 multiply 4 power 6 bracket close divided by 4 power 11. So here as we have already studied about laws, whenever we have same base and multiply sign in between and powers are different, so what we have to do? We have to write base at one time and we have to add the powers. So here rest of the question I am writing like this. 4 5 plus 6 11 divided by 4 11. So here again base same, so I will write base one time and we have divide sign in between. So what we will do? We will subtract the powers. So here 4 power 0. That means any number having power 0 is always 1. So here children you have to do rest of the questions also. I'm doing third part also because you might be suffering a problem in this part. 2 upon 19 multiply 2 upon 19 bracket 15 divided by 2 upon 19 bracket 13 big bracket divided by 2 upon 19 bracket 2. So here first of all we have to solve this bracket. So what we will do, we know that again the laws are coming. So children, you have to make laws very carefully. You have to do the laws, you have to learn the laws very carefully. So I will write base one time and we will subtract the powers. Why? Because we have divide sign in between, and if we have multiply sign in between, then we will add the powers. So here rest of the question I'll write as it is. There is no need to do anything. 2 upon 19, 15 minus 13, that means 2. So I'll write 2 divided by 2 upon 19, 2. So here again law will come. 2 upon 19 base is one time and I will do 2 minus 2. So here 2 upon 19, 0. Any number having power 0 is always 1. So here this is our question number 3. Now question number 4 is simplify. Question number 4 is simplify. Part number 1 is 6 power minus 1 divided by 12 power minus 1. Multiply 1 upon 2. So here 6 power minus 1. Children, the power here is in negative. So first of all we have to make it positive. So how we will make the power positive? By changing the number, by taking the reciprocal of the number. So here 6 upon 1 means 1 upon 6 and power will automatically be positive. Here it was 1, so I am not writing 1 because it is of no use. So here 12 power minus 1, here I am writing 1 upon 12. Bracket close, multiply 1 upon 2. So here you can see that we have to solve. So what we will do? 1 upon 6 multiply. We have learned this concept also in our previous exercises. So what we do, if we write multiply sign in place of divide sign, we reciprocal of the number, that means 12 upon 1. Bracket close, 1 upon 2. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So here what is left? 2 upon 1 multiply 1 upon 2. So here 2 ones are 2, multiply from numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 2 ones are 2. So here 1, 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. 1 upon 1 means 1. Our part number 2 also I am doing, which is in your assignment also. That might be easy to solve. Divided by 16 power minus 1. So here power is in minus. So here 1 upon 5 multiply 1 upon 8. Divided by 1 upon 16. I just, what I have done, I have not changed this. I have write divide as it was written in the question, but to make the power positive, I make a reciprocal of this. I take a reciprocal of this. So here 1 ones are 1 and 8 fives are 40. Now I am putting multiply sign in place of divide sign. So what we have to do? We have to take a reciprocal of this. So here I'll reduce this. 4 tens are 40. 4 fours are 16. 2 twos are 4 and 2 fives are 10. So here what is left? 2 upon 5. This is our only answer. So children, I hope you will get this video and do your work accordingly. Thank you.